Your UPI payment, your Netflix binge, your kids' online class, and even your late night Instagram scrolling runs on a building that 99% of us have never seen. These buildings do not look fancy, but they run your entire digital life silently 24/7. They are called data centers. A factory that collects, stores, processes, and disseminates data so that your data speed is never impacted. It is filled with servers that never sleep. And right now, India is in middle of 75,000 crore data revolution. India's data center capacity will be double in just 3 years. That is from 850 megavolts to 1700 plus megavolts. And that is enough to power nearly 3.5 lakh homes every day. Around 45,000 crores is being invested into the space already. But how does this matter to you? It matters because it is about you. It's about job, money, growth, and yes, this could be your next biggest investment opportunity. Namaste friends, I'm Rohini and you're watching the knowledge series of fincash.com. A data center is like a digital godown. It is a warehouse that stores all your online data. When you send a WhatsApp message, it goes through the center. When you send a UPI payment, your transaction is verified there. When you stream on YouTube or play PUBG, the content comes from these data centers. They are the backbone of your digital life. And here is what's mind-blowing. Every second in India, 6 lakh WhatsApp messages are sent. 1200 UPI payments are made, 20,000 YouTube videos are streamed, and all this data needs to be processed and stored instantly. That is why data centers are exploding. India has the lowest data rates in the world, that is 12 per GB. Since 2016, even small towns have high-speed internet. Your Aadhaar, UPI, DigiLockers, GST all generate data. The government now says Indian data should be stored in India. India's internet traffic, transaction are multiplying every other second, which means we need more data centers and we need it very fast. So how can you make money? You can make money by investing in mutual fund, REITs or green energy. Let me explain you. So pick up mutual funds that invest in infrastructure, tech or large cap funds. There are mutual funds that focuses on cloud infrastructure, fiber networks, power backup systems, construction of data parks. These are all connected to data center, so you can make money by investing in mutual funds. You can also directly invest in data centers. It may take thousands of crores, but there is a way. It is REITs. These are SBI registered entities which break down these thousands of crores into ticket size investment for retail investors. You can invest as per your liquidity and earn a monthly rent and appreciation on the invested value. Investment starts with as little as 10,000 per unit and vary as per the rules and regulation of every REITs. So it's like owning a mini Google server farm even without visiting it once. The next source is green energy. Data centers are like power-hungry monsters. 24/7 electricity, 24/7 cooling. That's where green energy and smart cooling companies come in. Solar farms, wind turbines, energy efficient air conditioner, advanced HVAC system. In the stock market, the real money is made silently. So pick up green energy brands who are supporting data centers and your money will silently grow. So invest before the world catches on. Just like people who bought tech stocks in 2008, this data center wave may be your chance to ride the next big boom. For years, Indian data was stored abroad, that is in US, Singapore, Ireland. But now, India is building Asia's largest data park. Adani and Ambani are leading the way. Cities like Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad are becoming global data hubs. Every 1 GB of data we use is equal to 5 watts of electricity. And India uses 1.2 billion of GB daily. That's a lot of power which will catch up the fire of renewable energy sector. This will create a huge chain of investment opportunities. This is not just a digital trend, it's a silent revolution. It's about you and your money and how quietly it is moving in the digital world. As a common man, you may not need to understand what are servers, cooling system or power grids. But what you need to understand is how can you benefit from this booming market so that you're not left behind. So maybe through a mutual fund investment or infra stock, or maybe just being more aware, because awareness is power. It is your money, invest smartly. Do like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.